If you've lost access to your Kroger account and don't have your phone number, you can still recover it by following these steps. This guide will help you regain access to your account securely. Step 1. Visit the Kroger website. Go to the official Kroger website and navigate to the login page. Look for the option that says Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use Srp to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. Look for an email from Kroger containing a password reset link. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 4. Follow the password reset link. Click on the link in the email, which will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before. Step 5. Log in and update your account. Once you've reset your password, log into your account. Consider updating your account settings to add a new phone number or recovery options for future access. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Kroger account without needing your phone number. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Kroger customer support for further assistance.